This thing sounds, can you hear it?
Hey, I love the sound of that thing.
Oh man, you talking about a. Now, have you ever tried a buzz bait? I got a second. Watch this right here. Here's a buzz bait.
Oh yeah, that's
Big brothers.
Oh, I've seen those.
Yeah, I tell you what I'll do. Hey, buddy, how you doing today? Reach your hand in there and grab one. Reach your hand in there and grab one. Still one in the box in there. See it? Oh, that's yours. Yeah, they had them on Walmart for 75 cents, wasn't it? No, $2.50.
Oh, wow.
Now, this is how you run this thing. I'll show you how you run it. You know, I've caught 8, 10 pounds, well, 7, 8, 9 pound walleye with this thing. This is killer. Killer. Fish you can in a pond, they run bass. Small ones, big ones, it don't matter.